This is a 1965 352A. It's my first truck. It's been completely restored. 8V71. Page and page suspension. 5 and a 4 transmission. It's kind of my baby. You can see it. It's immaculate. I shouldn't brag about it. But we've come all the way from California to the east here to show these trucks what we have. I came with a nephew. Brought one of my other trucks with me. You know, I just don't know what to say about it. You know, it's here. It's got redwood decking on it. I'm pretty proud of it. And been here, had a good time here. Everyone was good to us. And we're ready to pull out now and go home.